Mosquitoes are breeding in your backyard right now, and you don't even know it. That itchy bite you keep scratching, that buzzing sound at 2 a.m., it's coming from somewhere close, somewhere you walk past every single day. And the pest control industry wants you to keep paying $200 a visit to spray your yard, but there's a $2 bottle sitting in your kitchen right now that can stop mosquitoes before they even become mosquitoes. Stay until the end, because the last step is the one most people skip, and it's the one that matters most. Let's talk about what mosquitoes are actually costing you. Not just the itching, not just the sleepless nights, real money. A single mosquito treatment from a pest control company runs anywhere from $70 to $200, and that's not one time. That's every 3 to 4 weeks during mosquito season. Add it up and you're looking at $600 to $1,000 a year, just to sit on your own porch without getting eaten alive. Think about that barbecue you canceled because the yard was unbearable. Think about the bug spray you buy every single week, the citronella candles, the plug and repellents. None of it actually stops mosquitoes from breeding. It just masks the problem for a few hours. Meanwhile, they're multiplying somewhere close by, in a bucket, in a gutter, in a plant saucer you forgot about. A female mosquito can lay up to 300 eggs at a time, and she can do that every few days. One ignored puddle in your yard can become hundreds of mosquitoes in under a week. You're not fighting mosquitoes, you're fighting math. And that math is why spray treatments never actually work long term. You're killing the adults, but the eggs are still there, hatching, over and over. This is why so many people feel like they've tried everything. Here's the part almost nobody talks about. Mosquito larvae don't breathe like fish. They don't have gills. They hang upside down at the surface of the water and breathe through a tiny tube, almost like a snorkel. That tube depends completely on the water's surface tension to work. It needs that tight, glassy surface to poke through and pull in air. This is basic entomology, the kind of thing pest control technicians actually learn in training. But it's not exactly something companies advertise because it doesn't require calling a professional. It requires something already in your kitchen. Regular dish soap changes the surface tension of water almost instantly. Once that tension breaks, the larvae can't hold themselves at the surface anymore. They sink, they can't reach air. Within minutes, they're gone. No pesticide, no spray. No chemical fog drifting into your kid's play area or your dog's water bowl. Just basic physics. The single insight is why mosquito control experts have quietly recommended treating standing water with plain soap for years. It's in extension service guides. It's in vector control literature. It's just never marketed because there's no product to sell you. So here's exactly how you do this. First, walk your entire property and find every source of standing water. Gutters, plant saucers, buckets, old tires, bird baths, tarps, anything that holds water for more than 3 or 4 days. This step matters more than people think. You can treat water all day, but if you miss a spot, mosquitoes will find it. Next, for water you can't just dump out like a bird bath or a rain barrel, add about 1 teaspoon of plain liquid dish soap per gallon of water. Stir it gently so it mixes through. Then, for smaller containers you don't need, just dump them out completely and store them upside down so they can't refill with rain. After that, check any areas with slow drainage like clogged gutters and clear the debris so water doesn't pool there in the first place. Do a full walkthrough once a week because it only takes about a week for eggs to become biting. Adults, one thing to avoid, don't use dish soap in ponds or water features that have fish, frogs, or plants you actually care about. It will harm them too, since it's not selective about what it affects. This method is only for stagnant water you don't need for anything else. Also avoid dumping soapy water where pets or wildlife regularly drink, and rinse bird baths well before refilling them for birds. The results speak for themselves once you actually do this consistently. Within about a week of treating every standing water source, most homeowners notice a real, noticeable drop in mosquito activity in their yard. Not because the mosquitoes are hiding somewhere else, because their breeding grounds are gone. This isn't a one-time fix. Mosquitoes will keep trying to lay eggs all season, so the weekly walkthrough is what makes it permanent instead of temporary. Compare that to spray treatments, which knock down adult mosquitoes for a few weeks and then wear off completely while the breeding sites keep producing more. The soap method attacks the actual source. That's the difference between managing a mosquito problem and just repeating it every month. If this helped you, hit like so more people see the real reason mosquito sprays keep failing them. Subscribe if you want more of these cheap, science-backed fixes for problems companies love overcharging you for. Next time, I'm covering the kitchen trick that keeps ants out of your house for good, no traps required. And remember, the best fixes are usually the simple ones. You don't need a truck pulling into your driveway to take back your yard. You just need to know where mosquitoes are actually coming from.